In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add header and footer in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place text like titles, page numbers, and dates at the top or bottom of your PDF, format them cleanly, and preview the results before you finalize. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device and open the PDF you want to edit. With your document on screen, look toward the global bar and choose All Tools, then select Edit a PDF. This opens the editing workspace you'll use to add headers and footers. Next, go to Header and Footer and choose Add. A dedicated dialog will appear. Think of this as your control panel. You'll see 6 text boxes, left, center, and right for the header area at the top, and left, center, and right for the footer area at the bottom. These locations make it easy to align information exactly where you want it. Click inside the specific box where you want your information to appear and type your custom text directly. For example, a document title or project name might go in the header center, while legal notes or a URL could sit in the footer left or right. Keep text concise for readability. If you want automated content, place your cursor in any box and use the Insert Page Number or Insert Date buttons. Page numbers update dynamically across your document, and the date will reflect the current date. To control how these items look, select Page Number and Date Format and choose the style you prefer, such as Page 1 of 5 for numbering or MMDDYYYY for dates. This ensures consistency without manual editing. Customize the appearance using the formatting controls along the top of the window. You can change the font, size, and color, or add an underline. Pick a font and size that are easy to read at a glance, and use color sparingly so the header and footer don't compete with your main content. Adjust the top, bottom, left, and right margins to keep the header and footer clear of the page body. If your content sits close to the page edges, increase the margin slightly to prevent overlapping and to maintain a professional layout. Before you commit, review the live preview at the bottom of the dialog. This is your safety net. Check alignment, spacing, and formatting across multiple pages to make sure everything looks consistent. When you're satisfied, click OK to close the page range settings and finalize your header and footer. That's it. Your document now has clear, well-formatted headers and footers ready to share or print.